Hi guys, so I'm here in Jamaica, the land of my birth, and this is our national fruit, okay? And this fruit makes our national dish, Jamaican apple and saltfish. Yeah man. So I'm here now just taking them out of the pan so I can go and cook some apple and saltfish and roast breadfruit. Yeah man, you're not gonna see me in the kitchen later, alright? Check my box. So we're in the kitchen now, our future peas down the house. No, I'm kidding. So we're in the kitchen guys, and I'm going to season this bucket of chicken. My teacher piece over there seasoning some chicken feet. Because I think we're going to, yes, that's the chicken feet. So I think we're going to fry some chicken and bake some chicken. We were supposed to jerk, but time is going. And we have Jamaica's World here with us, also in the kitchen guys. Say hi. And if you don't have her, check out her channel. She has great content over there, and you already know what to do. Okay? Yes. Introduce them to me. They know me. Hi guys, I'm Teacher B down there. But what is you're popular, you're a big thing up on YouTube, you know. No. So everybody knows you, you know. Everybody knows you. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, big thing up here. Yeah. She's throwing the chicken. Yeah. She's going to French fry them. They're already seasoned. She has some in the oven. Yes. We're doing baked chicken and fried chicken. Lord God. So, and Carla is getting shy. She's blushing. I can see that. As you see, I'm not in my kitchen. Really? So why you get nervous in a big bad chef? This is not my kitchen. Then hold on, the kitchen you grew up in there now. My kitchen has every little thing that I really do. We're back to basic, guys. Back to basic. So now I'm in Jamaica. I have to really work with what they have here. Okay, they don't have the seasoning that I'm used to. So, I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. Okay? Look how your chicken then look good up in the seasoning, right? We know them taste good. You should taste the raw chicken. Oh my God! Me know so them will taste good. We have the era cook. Then we expect to cook this, and I don't think that is fair. Really? carlaskitchencc? Exactly. She cook every day on YouTube, you know. So we don't. It didn't taste it. At least she could have just come and relax with me right here, and you know, just come and cook her a nice meal and. You know, she doesn't relax. You understand? She said what this? That is the thing, that is what I want, a different taste. She got asked how it tastes, so. She said about them people that can't cook. And she faced yesterday. Oh Lord, exactly. Alright, you see, next time I come back, I'm not going to cook, you know. You want to see that? I'm not going to cook. You want to pack my dose to me and go fast? No. So the next time when I touch down here, it's supposed to be Teacher P Downer and Danique's World. Alright? Here, that's one of the easiest part, guys. You see what I'm telling you? Now I give them this again. Here, everybody about cook. I not say nothing, you know. I not say nothing. Alright, me I go do the juice. Hey. Yeah. You can't drink juice alone. But if I cook the food, I give it some water. So guys, you know I'm just doing this and I'm going to put the oil in the pot. I'm using the good old Dutch pot here. Maybe my mom have this since I was a child. I'm not sure, but these are good pots to fry chicken in and fry fish. Yes, and dumpling, fried dumpling. Yes, best pots ever. That's true. Dutch pot. So in this pot over here, show them. Teacher P already prepared the chicken feet and the cow skin and you know stuff like that to make the soup. Alright? You want more water? Okay. Then Mrs. can take the camera. Carla is preparing the vegetables for the soup.
We already have the pot on the outside. I'll be showing you in a few. We have the meat on the fire cooking. We're cooking on coal stove. We're doing the authentic Jamaican style. Am I correct?
Yes, and we're scraping our carrots with our knife. We don't have any carrot scraper here in Jamaica. We don't use those things. We are back to basic.
That's right.
Okay.
Third world country.
Don't watch the nails, guys. I already know it go.
Come for sport.
Okay.
Not to cook.
Even though I don't like to cook in nails, and I always tell teacher P that because she always bother me to put on nails.
Alright, they wear nails, look at my hand.
And I always say, no, I don't like to cook in
look
nails.
At my fingers.
She said, but you can't put on gloves.
That's when you plan to like go to certain events and you say, oh, I can't put on the nails yet because I have to cook. I said, put on the gloves, but I don't wear nails. The last time I put on nails like 3 years ago. I feel like Andy taking again.
I don't believe you're supposed to cook and show people have long nails. Even though them not going to eat the food, but I don't know, that's just me.
Okay, they will understand you're on vacation.
Yeah.
Hello, we know why you come here. Yeah. You fix up the nails to look nice.
Yeah, so I will be washing off these now and then I'm going to cut them up along with the pumpkin here. I'm going to use a piece of this pumpkin, not the whole thing.
Okay. So the meat is on the fire. I just add some water to it. So we have chicken foot along with cow skin and other stuff in this pot. This is a soup pot, guys. Making up another fire here. Put something else on it. For the soup, chicken is fine. This is the baked chicken. It's ready. The fire is blazing. I think we're going to put the rice and peas on this one. Pot is bubbling. This is a soup pot. Only meat alone inside the pot right now. You know the thing, we have to make the meat cook first before we add the other ingredients. Outdoor cooking, guys. Authentic Jamaican style. Yes guys, so I just add the vegetables to the pot. Smelling so good already. Over here, peas pot bubbling. So we're cooking rice and the peas on this fire here. The peas is still boiling. Very pretty. Fried chicken coming on nicely. I can't wait to taste a piece of this, guys. I know it's good. It's very delicious. I literally feel hungry right now.
It's just because she's looking at it, guys, because she ate late today.
Now it's like almost 8. And then it's almost, not almost, it's after 8 now. And then we had breakfast like minutes to 4.
Why are you stuck on me like that?
Yeah, we love to see you.
Why are you doing that?
The big bad chef, yeah, top man, so we have to show them, yo. Hey, she camera shy, guys. That's Danique over there. That's right, it's coming on though. Yeah, someone get the food. Blending the ginger to add to the drink. Chicken is baking. It's coming along nicely. Carla is doing her thing. Now the push it fussy. Yes. They look funny good. Fried chicken coming on. The soup is smelling so good. Did I give you feel like I'm hungry? You get no soup. I look at my child first tonight. I wouldn't feel no way. You hear me say?
Here I am making breakfast in Jamaica. Today is my saltfish. So I will be making saltfish and boiled bananas. Here I have my green bananas and I'm going to be peeling them and put them in the pot to boil, and I have sweet potatoes. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'll never stop it. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything. It's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So this is the saltfish, guys. Jappy here in the background laughing because she said she know I don't get up early. Morning. Going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'll never stop it. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.